Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial, Jedi Master. And in this video, I'm gonna do something different and show you how to set up an encrypted email. And the encrypted email service we're using is Tutanota. So let's jump right into it. So the first step here is to check the search engine for the correct URL or the correct domain. So I'll go ahead and show you how I do that. On Google, what I'm gonna do is search Tutanota, and that's spelled Tutanota, and I'll search that. And it's the first link that you see here, which is the official site. And the description that they give us here is Tutanota is the world's first secure email service with automatic encryption. It's open source and it's forever free. And it says here, protect your privacy now. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And this is what the website looks like. As you can see here, it is a HTTPS website and it is a secure connection. And you can tell by this green padlock that you can see right here. So that's good. What we're also gonna do is check out their Twitter account and see what that looks like. I had to check to see what their Twitter handle was, and it says Tutanota Team. So that's a quick tip for the video. If you want to check their Twitter profile, is look up Tutanota Team on Twitter. So what we're going to do now is go to their website, and we're also going to check their followers. As you can see, they have 34,000 followers, so that's a decent amount of followers for an email service such as this. And if we click on the link that they give us, it takes us to their contact page where we could ask questions and get in touch with them. And there's even a sign up button right here. So that's good. We are actually going to sign up, so I can click that button right now. As you can see, it takes us to the part where we can register and we can put in our desired email. So let's move on to step number 2 here, which is to create a new account. And one key part about this is we need to generate a very strong password, and we're gonna do that by using KeePass.info. This is a free and open source password manager, and you're gonna need this to create the account. Let me show you how you do that. So you could choose a desired email here, and you could choose an email to your liking. So I could go ahead and choose something like Denny Lovejoy. And as you can see here, it's verifying if it's available or not. And it says it is available, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that one. And it gives us the options to choose tutanota.com or tutanota.de or tutamail.com or tuta.io or keymail.me. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the first option here, tutanota.com. And as far as the password, what we're gonna have to do is go to your password manager. And again, on our team, we use KeePass.info, so we highly recommend that one. In this video, I'm not gonna show you my password manager, but I will generate a new password that they give me, and then I will paste it into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I got the password, and I'm gonna paste it into here. And what I'm gonna do is also repeat the password, and then paste it again. And then it gives us something to read. So it says, I have read the terms and conditions. So I'm gonna go ahead and search that really quick. And these are the terms of the conditions, and it's good practice to read these terms and conditions. I understand that most people don't, but when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies and websites like this, you do want to be aware of what you're signing up for. So do take the time to read this and then continue the video. What I'm gonna do now is close this and say that I have read it, and I'm gonna say that I am at least 16 years old. So great. What I'm gonna do now is create the account by clicking that, and the CAPTCHA that they're giving me is to write down the correct time. So if I look at this image right here, it looks like it's 3:15. So I'm gonna go ahead and type that in, and then I'm gonna click create account. And then it says account is being created on the top here. So great, it directs me to a login now. And what I'm gonna do is paste that same password that I got from my password manager. I could choose store password or not. That's up to you. But I'm just gonna go ahead and click store password for this video and then click login. And here's the website. So congratulations, you successfully registered for a Tutanota email. And the first 2 emails that you see in here are your data stays secure, and it's a welcome email, so go ahead and read that. And then the second email that they give us is an update on their terms and conditions. I'm glad that they share that with us also. And it looks like they even point us to other social media handles such as Reddit, Instagram, and Facebook, so that's good. And yeah, that's how you set up the Tutanota email. It works like any other email. The kicker is if you're sending email from one Tutanota email to another Tutanota email, it's encrypted. So it's highly recommended that you share this email service with others and that you send emails back and forth to each other using this service specifically to know that you're sending private emails. And that's very important. So moving forward, what I'm going to do now is show you a little bit of the user interface here. And on the top here, we have contacts. So you could put contacts. So for example, you could put a new contact right here. You could put a name, last name, date of birth, company, title, email. You could put, if it's a private email or a work email or other email, you could put their phone number, their address. You could put their social networks, such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Zing. You could put comments, and you could put passwords agreed. So the way that you're able to send encrypted emails is that you're able to share private passwords with each other. And when you're sending an email, you're sending the private password along with the email. And when you both do that, you're sending encrypted emails to each other. So that's typically how it works. There's also on the top here a premium version, and it enables you to add 5 aliases, to create inbox rules, to use your own domain, to add user accounts with no costs, and then you could use Tutanota as a business. So here's the pricing if you want to check out that. And on the top here, there's an invite section. It looks like you could invite your friends here. If you know their emails, you could just type in someone's email here and then send them a quick message to sign up for Tutanota. And then there's settings here. And in the settings here, it takes us to the left side where we can check out the info, we could change the password, and as far as changing passwords go, you do want to do that regularly. It's not like a one-time shot where you just create one password and just always keep that password. You want to change your password, if anything, every so often. It could be every 1 or 2 or 3 months. That's up to you, depending on how secure you want to be. But that's something we highly recommend on our team, is always updating your passwords and doing that regularly. So moving forward, there's also the email section here, and you could create signatures. There's inbox rules, there's notifications, there's user management, displays, spam rules, extensions, storage capacities, email aliases, invoicing, and unsubscribe. And under the unsubscribe section, you could delete your account, and that's up to you whether or not or when you want to do that. Lastly, on the top here, there's a community section where it takes us to their actual website, tutanota.com/community, and it says join us in the fight for privacy. You could give feedback, translate, review, donate, and develop. And it says sharing is caring, so you could share this via email, Facebook, Twitter, Google+. And you can show some love via PayPal, send some Bitcoin, or do a bank transfer. Or even Bitcoin Cash, Monero, or Ethereum. And it tells us what they do with the money. So it goes to development and data centers, and then other costs like office and coffee. And you could add features if you're a developer. So go ahead and explore that as you wish. We're going to go back to this now, and on the top right here leads us to the logout, which leads me to step number 3 here, which is to verify that you can close and open the Tutanota wallet. And I'll show you how that works. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to go back to the emails as if this is the home page here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click log out. So it logs me out. And what I'm going to do is exit out of this to delete the email. And what I could even do is go back to Google, and again I could go to Tutanota and go on that website, and this is the website again. And if you scroll down right here, go ahead and click that to log in, and then we're gonna put in our email address and the password. So again, you don't even have to type this in anymore. All you have to do is copy and paste it from your password manager because it stores it for you safely. You don't even want to know your password. You want to leverage your password manager so that not only can you enter into your accounts faster, but you can also make sure it's secure and safe by knowing that it's a very strong password that the password manager randomly generated for you. So go ahead and enter into your password manager, such as keypass.info, and then copy and paste your login details, such as your email address and your password, and then log in. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to get my email and enter it into there. And I'm going to paste my password into here, and I'm going to click login. And voila, here it is. This is the Tutanota email. And that concludes this video. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to set up an encrypted email, specifically the one that we use on our team, the cryptocurrency market. And it's really important to know because when you're creating accounts for cryptocurrencies, for websites, for exchanges, for different projects, they typically want an email from you. And if that's the case, you want to be using a private email service such as Tutanota here. So that concludes this video. If you like watching blockchain tutorials and software tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code Denny2018. Go ahead and check the display address here on the screen or check out the links below. You could also follow our cryptocurrency market team on Twitter. My social handle is Denny Lovejoy. My crypto mentor and coach Taizen, his Twitter is Hey Taizen, and the honorable, legendary, grandmaster, world-renowned leonfu.com is found at leoncfu on Twitter. And thank you so much for watching this Tutanota tutorial. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know on Twitter. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet already. Thanks again. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.